Okay, now it's time to demo how PLC Excel fetches or retrieves data from the SQL Server database where login took place. So we go to the SQL add-in and we double click on it. Here is an out-of-the-box query for us. It's showing the from to date filter, the SQL query, the connection string, and the status is idle. We'll click on the Fetch Data button. And here is our data displayed. And we asked for top 50 in the SQL query above, so we'll get 50 records. You can see that we have inserted date local, that's the local date and time when the records have been inserted into the database, but we also have the inserted date UTC. Because of the daylight savings, we want to make sure that we have a UTC time in there. You can see that the SLC type, the IP address, the rack, the slot, the port, the group name, the tag name, the friendly name, the data type, the description, and the values units are all logged. The insert identifier is basically this identifies which block of data have been inserted into the database at the same time. When a full license has been activated or a license dongle is plugged in, there is no limits on the tags displayed.